Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how the email communication works. So email, it is a system through which we can write our messages and electronically we can send a mail from one computer to another computer. So what happens is that this is you sending an email using the internet. So this is how you send the email. So now the person you're trying to send the email, he also gets to the transfer agent, and then he can view the email. So this is how the email sending process actually works. You write the email, you send the email using your internet. So now that the internet is transferring the email, now the client, that means the person you wrote the email to, now gets to see the email. So this is how the email communication works. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how the email communication works. Thank you for watching.